ground settings in Mode 1. The main requirement for a successful search depends on properly setting your ground settings. Let's now see together how a proper ground setting is achieved. Initially, raise the coil 40 centimeters and press Reset button. Then lower the coil down to 3 centimeters, keeping it parallel to the ground. Depending on the impact we see on the display, try to reset the impact by pressing plus and minus keys. Positively if the display impact is positive, or negatively if the impact is negative. At the moment, the impact on our display is negative. So raise the coil up 40 centimeters again and press the hold minus key for a moment. Then press Reset button and again lower the coil towards the ground down 3 centimeters. The impact has decreased, but it is still not eliminated, so raise the coil 40 centimeters up again and press minus key. Reset the device again, then lower down 3 centimeters. Now the impact is just about to diminish. Raise the coil 40 centimeters up again and press minus key. Press Reset, then lower the coil down to 3 centimeters. Now the impact is removed. To be sure, raise the coil once more and then press Reset button. Lower once more and the impact is completely gone. Raise the coil up by 10 centimeters from the ground, press OK button, and switch to the search mode. Mode 1, Decreasing Sensitivity. If you receive unexpected effects from the ground while searching at max level, search can be continued by reducing sensitivity level. First, adjust your ground settings. At the moment, there's some interference.
Parazit alıyoruz. Tekrardan kaldırıp tekrardan bakıyoruz.
It is difficult to make the adjustment.
Zorlanıyoruz.
Reduce the sensitivity down by 1, so the level will be 9. Checking the ground settings. Device has received a negative impact. No sounds at the moment. Rechecking. And then press OK to switch to search mode. There may be occasional interferences. In such cases, you can reduce the sensitivity level to 8. And perform accurate searches. You should check ground settings again after reducing sensitivity level. If no reactions with the device, go on searching. Clear searches can be conducted with slow motions. In conditions where you should conduct the search at high sensitivity levels, you can conduct the search by taking sensitivity level up to max level while checking the ground settings simultaneously.
Mod 1'de
obtaining gap detection analysis report and determining signal diameter in mode 1.
çıkarılması.
Walk towards the target, which was previously detected.
Üzerine doğru şu anda yürüyoruz.
The Deep Hunter just got the signal, and now you can approach towards the signal's starting point. Retract the coil at the signal starting point. Press reset to get to the initial state. Cross the first signal received.
Çiziyoruz.
Now repeat the same procedure at the exact opposite point. When the signal ends, reset the device and go to the starting point again. When the signal starts, stop and cross the signal. And do the same at the opposite side as well. Reset the device and approach towards the target. Once the signal starts, stop and cross the signal. Now you've walked above the target, and when the signal ended, reset device and cross the first signal received while walking towards the signal starting point.
Çiziyorum.
So you've thus obtained the target diameter.
Oldu.
Now obtain the target analysis report.
Alacağız.
Stand at the center of the target,
Arkasında durarak
press and hold the scan key, and walk away from the center point to end of the signal.
sinyali bitirecek şekilde yürüyoruz.
When the signal ends, the gap is shown on the display. You can obtain the depth of this gap, if you want, using the diameter just determined.
Alabiliriz.